Well, first of its kind plan in the nation to get a handle on the rising cost of prescription drugs.
The FDA has given Florida the green light to import prescription drugs from Canada. Fox 5's Richard Giacovas shows us that this could become a blueprint for the rest of the country.
With prescription drug prices continuing to soar, now comes a significant first step in potentially reining in those prices. The FDA authorizing Florida today to buy prescription drugs from Canada, which would allow the Sunshine State to import millions of dollars worth of medications where prices are far cheaper than here in the U.S.
Brand name drugs are extremely expensive in the United States, and about 30% of patients report that they don't fill prescriptions or family members don't fill prescriptions because of the high cost of drugs.
Yes, a major policy shift in the United States, with supporters of the move hoping that medicines that treat everything from AIDS to diabetes to hepatitis C will finally lower. But not everyone is in favor of it. In fact, experts like Harvard professor Dr. Aaron Kesselheim believe many hurdles remain, including opposition from the pharmaceutical industry's major lobbying organization, the Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America, or PhRMA.
This has a lot of, political stump speech appeal, but in reality, I don't think that this is a very effective way of trying to address the crisis of high drug prices in the United States, because it's going to be very impractical for it to be applied to brand name drugs.
PhRMA has sued over pharmaceutical medication import efforts in the past and is expected to try and stop the importation to Florida with a lawsuit. Canada's drug supply is small on many medication, according to experts. The Canadian government has already said it will block the exportation of drugs in short supply, saying, quote, bulk importation will not provide an effective solution to the problem of high drug prices in the U.S. Other states have applied to the FDA to set up similar programs, and experts agree it's a good first step when it comes to importing those drugs safely. But when it comes to lowering the price of brand name drugs by a single manufacturer, well, there's a lot more work to do. We're on the Upper East Side. Richard Giacovas, Fox 5 News.